Bonjour, je suis Arielle et je suis prof de français ici au Leicester Adult Education Center. Today, I want to talk to you about our French intensive course for beginners, and this is a course that will take place from Monday the 10th of July until Friday the 14th of July. It will be on every single day of that week from 10 o'clock in the morning until 12:30. During the course, we will be learning some set phrases, some basic vocabulary and grammar in order to be able to cope with everyday situations whilst in France or a French-speaking country. So it will be things like introducing yourselves, asking for directions, or ordering items in a shop, or drinks and food in a cafe or a restaurant. And more than that as well. We will be having some lessons that will be very interactive, practicing the 4 skills, and also we will be having really a lot of fun doing all sorts of different kind of activities to practice the language. So if you think this is something for you, something that would be of interest to you or anybody you know, please do contact the center as soon as possible to reserve your place. And I'm looking forward to seeing you. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir.